And there's one
Warning.
behind the back of Victorino, who didn't like it because it was up around his head.
Victorino said, throw at my ribs, that's fine. Throw at my head, that's not fine. So a warning has been issued. Don't throw at my head. That's what he said, telling Russell Martin. Throw at my ribs, that's fine. Not my head.
So he knew it was coming. Something was coming, and he said, okay, we'll take it.
Yep.
But not up here.
Yep, that's right.
He stated his case.
Yep.
And he continues to Kuroda. We got action at Dodger Stadium. The benches now come out. So hold on now. The bench is empty. Nothing's going on yet. But Manny Ramirez is in the front of the pack. And that's obviously the last thing the Dodgers need, is for Ramirez to get mixed up in something and either A, get kicked out, B, get injured, or C, have some suspension.
I was thinking the same thing. Dodger players taking their meal ticket to the dugout.
See Victorino say, just not in my head. Hit me in the ribs, not in the head. Order is restored. Mariano Duncan has been in the middle of it.
I think it's Mariano Duncan and Davey Lopes.
Yeah.
The ex-Dodger.
Lopes was part of the first pitch ceremony here tonight.
Yeah.
Honoring that great infield here with the Dodgers through the 70s into 81.
That ups the ante, Joe.
Ooh. These two sides are hot.